Everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas.com, and today I have another fun craft. I thought today we would make big milk jug ball toss. It's a fun game you can make using recycled materials. I'm using this milk jug, and we use little wiffle balls or other little ball pit balls, or you can even use wadded up socks to play this game. So what you'll need for this is a cleaned out and dry milk jug container or water container, a Sharpie marker, a pencil, a pair of scissors, some glue stick, and probably a grown-up to cut out the hole. So round up your stuff and we'll meet you right back here. Okay, so you can find all the directions and a template to cut out eyeballs on kidfunideas.com in the spring crafts section. So for this one, what you'll need to do is take your cleaned out milk jug, and on the opposite side of the handle, on this side, you're going to want to poke it with a pencil right in the center, all right? That's going to make a hole right in the center. Oop, this is a tricky one. One sec. Okay, this is going to start your hole in your milk jug. And have an adult cut out the shape here. You're going to want to take some scissors and just go around and trim out a shape in your milk jug there. It's about 6 inches tall and about 4 inches across. This will give you a nice big opening to catch the balls for the game. So it's tricky to cut the plastic. It's good to have an adult do this part of it. So there, now you have a nice big opening like that. Okay. Now, if you go to the website and download the template, you can cut out these eyes like I did on this one here and glue them right on with some glue stick. But if you don't have access to a printer, you can certainly just draw your own eyeballs on, and I'm going to do that right now with a Sharpie marker. And I use a Sharpie marker because it doesn't smear as much. So I'm going to just start at one side, and I'm just going to go make a big giant oval and an eyeball. There's one. And on the other side. And you can certainly make them have silly, grouchy, or funny expressions. This guy over here I did with some concerned little eyebrows, so he looks like he's got some concerned eyes. This one, I think I might make him grouchy, so I'm going to make his eyebrows come in a bit, so he looks like he's a little bit crabbier, okay? Then take your Sharpie and go all around the opening of your milk jug, and this will make it easier when you're playing catch to see where the opening is. So when you throw your ball, it'll be a little bit easier to hit that target. Okay, all the way around. Actually kind of like ghosts. This would be a good Halloween game at a party. Make little ghosties. Okay. So now the mouth. That's pretty cute. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is get a buddy, and then you just back up and you take turns trying to throw your ball into each other's little milk jug. Now, if you don't have a ball, you can certainly use some socks. And I don't know if you guys do your laundry at home, but you can make an easy ball out of socks by just taking 2 of your socks, laying them one on top of the other, and at the toe end, rolling it up real tight. And then you just take one end and pull it in and around itself. And then you have a little ball, and that's perfect for inside the house. So if you're inside the house, definitely play sock toss and see if you can get it in there. Well, guys, I hope you get a chance to make your own milk jugs. It's super fun, and a lot of goofy stuff happens when you play this game. All right, till next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.